How's it going, everybody? Welcome to a brand new episode of Crypto Clout. I'm your host, FaZe Crypto, and today I'd like to discuss DigiByte and, of course, Bitcoin. Of course, now we've seen the recent price drop in Bitcoin from the 10,000. It was petering around the 9,000, and now we're looking at 8,476 at the current time of recording this video. So, overall, I think it's business as usual in the Bitcoin world. I mean, volatility is sort of the name of the game when you talk about stocks and oil and whatever. It's sort of comes with the territory of this half of 2019. 2020 has really been characterized. I miss 2019. 2020 has really been built upon just woe and uncertainty. And but I think that it is important to look at projects like DigiByte, and I'm happy that we are part of the DigiByte community. I mean, I think especially while we see more people working from home, more people utilizing the internet, the password protection, DigiID, and of course the blockchain are all going to be very much in demand, and it's not going to go anywhere. So I mean, of course, the conversation of Bitcoin is completely a different one from any other altcoin, but I think one fundamental thing is shared between all the different characters in this play of cryptocurrencies that we're sort of seeing unfolding here, and it's the fact that we're exiting a model of the world where it was raw resources were the arbiters of the economic destiny. It was sort of a post-World War II paradigm, and now we're into where it's computing power that is ultimately the determining factor of really what we're going to be seeing happening as far as the power dynamics in a real logistical sense. And of course, all roads lead to China, who've been preparing to be those who inherit this next paradigm. They've probably done more work the fastest to try and transition over to that sort of new world model. And so having pump over 20 million USDT transferred to Binance. We'll see what happens with this. In a home stretch for Bitcoiners, the network will in approximately 4 hours have their miner rewards. So I mean, it is interesting to see what happened. I mean, leading up to the halving, we did have a surge in price, and now that we're here, it will be interesting just to see what happens. But all in all, I mean, I think DigiByte's doing what it needs to do. I'm proud of the team. I'm proud of this community, whether it be on DigiByte Twitter or, DigiByte on YouTube or all across the internet and Digi Assets. I think that it's all where it needs to be. And I mean, of course, a lot of people, retail doesn't have a lot of money to spare now, the average person. But we'll see how things pan out. Of course, remember to comment down below letting us know what you think about DigiByte and the future of the cryptocurrency space and economics as a whole. Remember, I'm not your dad. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm only here making this content because it's what I like to do. So it's only my opinion. But make sure that you guys comment and let us know what you think. And for now, it will be very interesting to see. And I also think that Ethereum is one of the most undervalued cryptocurrencies, probably one of the most undervalued assets in the world right now. I mean, next to Bitcoin, and DigiByte as well, I think is probably one of the most undervalued, and gearing up for some bullish activity whether it's in the near future or anywhere else. But continue to make these updates. I'll continue to keep you guys queued in. I love making this content. I think we have a really great community on here, and I think I was able to cover some really good points in this video. I'm pretty proud of what we've been able to accomplish. Yeah, but all that being said, I hope everybody's healthy, hope everybody's good, and I'll see you guys next video. Have a good one.